Hi guys, today I decided to do the trend when you paint on a picture frame. So the first thing I did was I sketched out Winnie the Pooh, then I put my glass frame on top of it and started drawing over it with Posca pen. Once you're done with the outline, now you can just fill it in with some paint. Now that I just got done with my first layer, I'm going to wait for it to fully dry and then I'm going to keep adding layers until it's opaque. I did run into a couple of issues when I was painting this piece. The first one being is I got cut by the glass a couple times. They're not really bad cuts, but I would say if you're trying this, wear some type of safety equipment or like heavy duty gloves to make sure that doesn't happen to you. The other issue I ran into was because of how thick I was layering the paint started to crack, which didn't look the best. And then when I turned the painting over, then I noticed that the black lining I did, the outline, started to kind of chip and fade. So what I ended up doing was going on the other side of the glass, taking a Posca pen, and redo the lining on the other side. That did help, but I would like to try this again in the future because I feel like I can do a better job. Now that I finished the outline, my Winnie the Pooh painting is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye!